3. So this is how to clean this urn. Now this urn is cleaned once a week. It's normally going to be on a quiet shift, so maybe Monday or Tuesday morning or in the evening where we're not using it. So what you do is first you empty any hot water out of here or any coffee because you don't want anything inside it. Now once this is empty, you open this up and you put a filter in. Remember, these filters are kept underneath here. Once you got the filter in the main bar by the back of the sink, you will see this cleaning product. So what you do is that you will put that on the filter. You only need about half a teacup full. So if you want to measure this, put it in the filter and you put the top up. Then what you do is put that back and you put 10 litres. What that does is fill it up here with hot water, and because you got the cleaning there, it will self-clean this. Now remember to put a sign up. I have created a sign here, cleaning, so you will need to leave it for about half an hour. Just ensure that it's out so people can see it's cleaning liquid and it's not actual coffee. After about half an hour, what you do is you turn this off, unplug this, and you use the handles. You take that to the sink. Now when you take down the sink, you put the filter with cleaning products in the bin and you use this and you rinse it off. So then you rinse off any residue. Once that, give it another blast of water just to make sure, and you place it back. Once you placed it back, you put the plug back in, turn it back on, and then you put another 10 litres of coffee without any filter. You do this just to give another rinse out. Leave it there for a few minutes. You empty it, do the same process where you take this out and empty it through, and then you place it back in. Put your 5 litres of coffee that you would for breakfast or for the next day, so it's all ready to be used. We will notice it is because this we can see clear. If it is all full here, we know that we need to clean. This bit was cleaned not long ago, so that's why it's only got a little bit, and the rest we can see where the coffee is at. Okay, if you need any help or advice, please let me know and I can show you in person. Thank you.